Muna says, while making wudu, is it mandatory to rinse your mouth and nose? My nose is blocked most of the time, and I'm not able to sniff water into the nostrils properly. How should I do this during wudu? You should try your level best, and this is more than enough. Allah doesn't tell us to bring a hose and shove it up our nostrils and put the pressure of water to flush it. This is too extreme. Allah simply says to us that sniff and inhale water up your nostrils to the best of your ability. If your nose is blocked, so be it. There's nothing else you can do.